Good morning, everyone. Today is May 11th. It's Monday, and this is week 8 of distance learning. I'm going to talk about what you need to do this week. So, we're going to be reviewing graphing and reading ordered pairs. So, the first thing you should do this week is, of course, read your checklist to review everything that you need to complete for the week. After you review your checklist, read and listen to the notes. They are the same notes from last week because I want you to go back and review the vocabulary words and how to graph points on the coordinate plane. After you read and listen to the notes, there is a coordinate plane brain pop I'd like you to watch. If you are logged into your school account, you shouldn't need a password, but if you do, the username is Copeg Middle, one word. Okay, that's one word, and the password is middle. Now, the next thing you should do is practice some interactive problems online. So there's two websites here, okay? And if you click on one of them, I'll show you that you can actually have the problem read out loud to you, okay? So by clicking that orange box, the speaker, you can have the question read aloud, and you can see there's a little cursor, and if you just scroll it over the coordinate plane, you can graph 1, 5, and then check your answer. If you'd like to doodle and draw on the question, you can hit Scratchpad, and it lets you draw on the screen. So if you'd like to practice maybe trying to figure out where the point would go, you can draw before you actually do anything. Okay? And then there's another practice link next to that one. So try both. Next, I'm going to explain your two activities for the week that you need to submit for a grade. The first one is called Treasure Map Activity. And if you open it up, you'll see I gave you a treasure map with all different treasures on it. What your job is to identify the ordered pairs of the objects that I gave you. So for example, I give you the telescope, and I told you the telescope is at 9, 4. 9, 4. Here's the telescope. I also gave you, let's see, I believe 9 other objects. So please fill in the ordered pair for each of the objects. Okay, and you'll find them on the map. Use your X and Y axes to help you. Okay, and when you're done, please share or submit that with me. And then the last assignment for this week is a grocery store graphing activity. It's a Google Slide activity, and instead of identifying ordered pairs this time, you will be taking a grocery item and placing it back in the correct aisle it belongs in. Okay, so it's a little graphing game. So here's the first slide. Okay, drag the ingredient to the correct point in the grocery store, then move to the next slide. So here we have bananas, and they belong at 10-4. So you would take the bananas, click it, and drag them to the origin, then go 10 on the x-axis and 4 on the y-axis, and you would leave the bananas there and go to the next slide. Okay, and when you're done, it'll say, all done, good job. Make sure you share or submit this with Mrs. Jones for a grade. And that is it for your assignments for the week. If you have any questions, please message me on Parent Square or on Google Classroom, and maybe I'll talk to some of you through the week. All right, have a good week. Good luck.